All right, first things first. I lost my goddamn blade, man. I know my car, top of the car is dirty. I know it is, but look, man, I lost my blade. Like, I don't know what happened to it. It just came out. Like, I done had all these for like a year now, so it's time to pop them out. You know, real quick. All right, so now I popped them out. So now I'm gonna disconnect them. I know you guys can't see, but I'm gonna disconnect it with one hand just to show you, because I'm recording it with one hand. I'm gonna show you guys, well, no, I can't do it. But I'm gonna disconnect them all. Fairly easy with one hand. All right, so we got them all out. It's time to hook up the new ones, man. I wanna go all one color. I've been mixing it up for too long. I want to go all one color. And let's get it. Let me show you guys that real quick. All right. So let's hook it up real quick. This is just a light. We're going to connect it real quick. Just plug and play. All right, we got one down. 3 more to go. I didn't show you guys this one, but we got 2 down. All hooked up. All right, we got them all hooked up. Blue over there. We got blue over there. We got blue right there. We got blue over there. And that's it. We not done though, because we still got to change. Hold on, you guys can't even see that real quick, huh? Hold on. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna change as well. We got to change that to blue. So that's the next thing. I know I didn't put that in the title and all that, but I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna make this a whole different color too. So let me work on removing this. I just wanna do something different, you know? I just wanna mix it up. Sometimes I get bored with things, so when you figure out that you ready to move on to the next stage, all right, we got the first part down. Wasn't that bad, actually. Now, let's work on this part. I hope I don't get demonetized for showing a knife, because it's a utility knife. I'm using it for a particular reason. All right, last piece. I can't reach. Cool. Guess what color I'm gonna make this next? Comment down below. Comment down below what's the next color gonna be for the sunroof decal. Guess what color? I'll give you a hint. I'll give you another hint. Man, you know what? I was gonna make another sunroof decal, but I gotta wash my car, man. I don't wanna do another one with my car dirty like that. It just don't make sense. So for right now, man, everybody who wants some Chrysler 300 door lights that I showed in this video, just go to meanteam.xyz and yeah, I'll hook you up, man. I'm gonna throw a little something else in there, but yeah, man, all the door lights will be available. Let's see if you guys can still see them. Nope, can't even see them. There they go. Meanteam.xyz, man. Appreciate you guys.